Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on backup in Microsoft OneDrive. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your OneDrive. So I'm going to click on here, open up my OneDrive. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on turn on camera backup. Turn on camera backup for this account. Simply click on confirm. Then the next thing you need to do, so right here you can see turn on camera backup to automatically backup your photos and video in OneDrive. It's as simple as that. And one more thing you can do here, you can come to the top right here, click on your camera icon. After you click on your camera icon, simply go to settings. Then you can simply scroll down and simply look for camera backup right here. Then the next thing you can do here is to simply click on backup device folder. So you can see it right here. Turn on camera backup to automatically backup your photos and video in Microsoft OneDrive account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn on backup in Microsoft OneDrive account to back up your photos and video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.